Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a meditation habit with Calm, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Calm app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and create an account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the home screen. Familiarize yourself with the available sections such as meditate, sleep, and music. To start your meditation journey, tap on the meditate section. You will find a variety of guided meditations, ranging in length and theme. Choose a meditation that resonates with you, starting with a shorter duration if you're a beginner. After selecting a meditation, set a reminder for your daily practice. This helps you establish consistency in your new habit. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Before starting, take a deep breath and center your thoughts. As the meditation begins, focus on your breath and the guide's voice. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Practice daily, gradually increasing the time as you become more comfortable. Explore different types of meditations, such as mindful breathing or loving kindness. Adjust the meditation length and type according to your needs and schedule. Consider using the sleep section for nighttime routines to enhance relaxation. Celebrate small milestones in your journey to reinforce your commitment. Over time, notice the positive changes in your mind and body. Stay patient and compassionate with yourself as you develop this new habit. Remember, consistency is key to building a lasting meditation practice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.